The J and the E are my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, Joe Sr. and Elda. And my brother-in-law, Joe Jr. is a partner, and my wife, Pat, is a partner. We started in 1983, got our first CNC machine in 1994. And the original intention was to do manual work quicker. It wasn't meant to be a production facility, or it wasn't meant to be a high volume facility. It was just meant to augment our manual machining operations. JE Bearing is multifaceted, very vertically integrated. For a lot of people, first-time people that come here, they're sort of surprised at what we have going on inside these four walls.
JE, we strive to be different. We try to diversify our company as much as possible. We're able to take on many types of work here at JE, anything from millwrighting to general machining, CNC production, and prototyping as well on the CNC and general side. Our main industries that we serve is defense, food and beverage, mining, and things of that sort. We also get into automation systems for people. We do a lot of secondary machining for the automation companies. I would say our core values are, our main thing is teamwork. We strive to be a team here at JE. One of my main goals as a plant manager here is to get our team united, so the guys work together to a common goal to make us a better company.
Well, GNE has a great culture. I like it very much to work here. They actually encourage that we learn every time, that we find ways to make things better. So that's something I really like about the company. So we have that freedom also of trying new things. It's really good. In software, we use Mastercam and SolidWorks to do design. And we have a few range of machines, like this machine over here is a horizontal CNC machine. We use it a lot. And all the CNC lathes that we use are also really good too.
Here at JE, we started with Mastercam. It was something that when we decided to go into CNC, we started looking for software that would work for us, that was diversified with all the different things we wanted to do. So we looked at Mastercam to come in. It was fairly early. I believe it was back in Mastercam 6 that we started. So it was something that was fairly new to us as a company for CNC, so it was something that we wanted to get involved with. In-house solutions has been a big part of Mastercam for us. It's something that we've been working with them over, as a company here, we've been working with them for ever since we've got Mastercam. Myself personally, I've been working with in-house for probably at least for my industrial career. Been involved with Mastercam since high school actually. I started at an early age in East Elgin Secondary School in Elmer. We were using Mastercam version 3, I believe. It was still in DOS. And we had a CNC mill and a CNC lathe in our high school, which was pretty rare. But I learned a lot from that. I learned how to program, learned how to do things right in the high school. Being able to put a shop together that is something that can be, it's not something that's easy to do. It requires attention from people that are in the industry to be able to help those schools maybe get to that point. Maybe through donations of whether it be materials or old machines or things of that sort that can allow the schools to be able to get better equipped. We
do have an association with Fanshaw in London. We've just started it recently in the last several months with their manufacturing program there. And we hope to grow on that as well.
It's always going to be growing. The only thing is we have to keep up with technology, we keep up with the competition. So that will always keep us going ahead of the game too. Because manufacturing is always going to be there, it's always needed.
Here at JE, I would say best practice for us is looking at ways to improve our production, being able to maybe improve on our setup times, improve on our tooling. We've recently purchased a tool crib management software system that is a tool crib, an automated tool crib that will allow us to cut down on setup times, cut down on people looking for tooling. As a machine shop, one of the things that we struggle with the most is trying to get people the tools they need when they need them. Here we do CNC machining that kind of revolves around anything from lathes to mills to multi-axis turning, whether it be multi-axis with live tooling or horizontal machining. So someone that's got a little bit of diversity that can be able to help in multiple areas is always an asset to us.
It's always been about customer service. I know that it's a bit of a catchphrase or a buzz term, but we totally understand what it means when the customer needs help. And I think one of the biggest things about us, our biggest strengths, is our people and our willingness to adapt. We pride ourselves in our relationships with our customers. Our philosophy, I guess, would be to service the customer to the best of our abilities. And we look for better processes, better systems, better procedures, how we do things. to not only reduce costs, but improve that on-time delivery.